You know what? Yeah, this is the era we're going with. Screw it. Why is it so ominous? Okay. All right, sure, man. I guess. Ah, why did it do that? All right. What are we tackling first, everyone? I think do I want to okay. Do I want to tackle the voice timer thing first, or do I want to tackle the outfit timer first? Interesting. Well, that's interesting. That is interesting. Right. Okay. I'm going to basically duplicate these. And do this, I think. I need to make a new queue for it. Wait. Why do I have Cheat's voice? And then also, you know what? I won't question it. Just don't think about it too hard. I need to go edit this. There's probably a better way to do this than what I'm currently doing. But don't worry about that. Don't concern yourself. Okay. That is not how you spell outfit. Okay. So how does this work? I probably need to give this a default voice, huh? That might make more sense than what I'm currently doing. Just so I can keep track of what it is. Core actions, run action. Now, I'm not too sure how we're going to set this up. But I suppose we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Do I really have that going like this? It seems like coding. To a degree. It's like pseudocode. Okay. We need to ask ourselves a question. How... Okay. I want to give you a visual here. Because I want you to help me answer this question. So you see how on my screen we have the vertical format and like the full screen format, right? Give it a second. Okay, as I was saying. So here's the thing. I'm trying to set it up where we will have a new set of cheats, right? Because you know how, like, I mean, you're already aware of the cheat code system. You know, I've already explained it like a million times over to everyone at this point. We can do funny things with this little thing. Now, one of the things that I want to add to it to let people do is I want to make it where people can... well, actually, there's one thing that people can already do. If I go over here. Oh gosh, wait, where is it? Is it under setup? Nope, that's not it. Nope, not there either. Wait, no, hold on. Wait. There we go. I think it's this one. Is that the right one? Yeah, I think that's the right one. Okay, so we have this thing that makes it where people can change like the voice filter that I have on, right? So what I also want to add, well, A, I want to add more voices. B, I also want to add where people can change my outfits, because we have it set up where I think it's Leo, who's currently the only one that has access to outfit changes for some reason, can change me to a Luigi outfit, right? But we have like a bunch of other outfits that I have, and I mean like a lot of them, 1,000,001 of them even. So I was thinking about having it set up to where people can change my outfits and stuff. But we need to add support for that. So here's the question. If this is my camera, so we have two formats we need to worry about. One that has my camera up in the top left, right? We'll say I'm like right here or something. Actually, no, let me make this bigger. So yeah, we have two formats we need to worry about. One where I'm like up here, and one where I'm up here, right? So here's the question. Obviously, I want to have like a countdown timer of some sorts. It probably won't look like this, but I want to have a countdown timer, like one that pops up with the microphone, you know? And another one that's like, I don't know, like a t-shirt or something to show that it's the outfits. Because I'm thinking, instead of having it say text of what the voice is, or what the outfit is, we just have a symbol that pops up that's just for general of them. Like, or rather for both of them. And then in front of that, it's like, we have like the actual timer saying how much time is left. And so if these are both active at the same time, right? Then you'd have them just sitting next to each other. Jumping on your warbly voices, turning on TV, Dragon Ball Z where they scream. Wait a second. Hit him with the... You know? You know what I mean? Anyways, so yeah, so here's the question. Now, I'm pretty sure how I want to have this set up. I don't know where to put it on the camera. I was thinking about having it set up where the icons would like appear like here-ish. You know? But then that would mean that I'd probably also have them appear up here. But the main problem I have with doing it this way is that if we are in one of the scenes, if I make a new layer, if we're in one of the scenes where it's like, there's me, and then there's the couch, and like however many other people, right? Because of the positioning of it, it would practically like end up, it would almost guaranteed end up covering some people. And instead of it just being like out of the way. Which is a problem. So I've been struggling to come up with like where a good spot to put the little timer at for these two formats would be. Because it's got to go somewhere, right? But like, where does it go? I mean, I could put it up in like the top right corner instead. Like here, I'll give you an example. So like maybe what we do instead is the little shirt icon and all that is up here. And either it would go here or over here on the horizontal stream. I'm not sure which. But my main concern with doing it that way is there's like a whole bar of just pure junk. Well, not junk, but like, you know, there's like all the information for the live is like usually up around in this general area. So it's already, so if I put it up too high up, then it's kind of like too crowded. Can you draw over your stream again? I don't know. I'm glad you enjoyed the me screaming Wukong. But yeah, oh yeah, you can go for it. Go for it, Tino. So yeah, we gotta figure out where we're putting these things. Maybe I could just leave it over the gameplay, but like I feel like that's kind of dumb. We could also do it where it's like partially transparent, but I don't know how good that would look either. I guess the best way to do it is to just like make something and then see how it goes. So let me make like a new, we'll say 500 by 500 image. What color should we have the outfit change icon be? Because I was thinking about having the microphone effect icon be a blue. I am really trusting myself to freehand this. We can change it later, it's fine. We'll fix it in post. Okay, streaming assets, cheat code system, voices. Or actually, no, we'll just call this assets. I probably could have done this better. Wait, why did I do that? What? Huh? Top 10 questions science still can't answer. And this is in the wrong folder too. What in God's name is going on here? So anyways, as I was saying, we need to figure out what color the outfit symbol is. I'm thinking green. Is anyone else down with green? Okay, first of all, huh. I'm realizing this may be more complicated for me to draw than I thought it would be. Is that it? Wait, let me move it up actually. Layer. I mean, does this make sense? Is this sensible? Whatever, we're just gonna send it. Okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? Assets. Nope, that's wrong. This one. Okay, here's how we're gonna do this. It's gonna be a little bit of a pain in the butt for me to see this, but it's whatever. So if I add an image, man, it really does not want to make this easy for me, does it? So true. All right, where on this screen, where on my screen does this go? Because I don't know about putting it over here, because this is where like the phone thing pops up, right? Get that new keyboard? I sure did, Overseer.
Call from Tino LOL.
I'm hanging up on that. You're thinking top left, like it pops up here? I can't blame you for trying. So basically how this would go is that it pops up like this, right? And then there'd be some text above it, or on top of it rather, saying it's like a timer. Like, and so that's how you know how long the outfit has left. Make it smaller, maybe. I mean, how much smaller? Because you gotta keep in mind there is a delay, so I don't know like whether the small I have now is smaller, or it's a cheat or an input. No. So it's supposed to
underscore plays one.
No, but that one's just a command. That one's not a cheat. But I'm not trying to answer calls right now. I respect it, but I'm trying to figure this out right now, so I gotta think. So, but y'all are saying if we put it up here, then that's what you want it, where you want it to be. Now, the real question is how long do we let the outfit changes last? Because right now, this outfit, right? This outfit only lasts... Wait, like, I haven't figured out how long I want these to actually go on for. Mobile UI gets in the way of it. That's what I'm saying. So that's kind of the struggle I'm having. If the mobile UI gets in the way of it, then we can't really have it at the very top. Let the outfits be for a minute, 30 seconds. I can see that. What about bottom right? Middle left on top of each other. Oh, actually, you're cooking. You're cooking. Hold on. I didn't think about just like along the side. Okay, so how does this look if we're in the couch cam though? Middle right? Yeah, middle right might be the play. I don't usually have too much along the right side. Say move the outfit icon a little down. Here, I'll do you one better. I'm gonna actually edit the transform. Okay, so this is at 140 by 140. That's not what I want to do. I feel like this needs to float off to the side a little. Yes, we're getting that nitty gritty with it. Thanks for the heart me, by the way, Wukong. I think someone else sent one earlier, right? Yeah, thank you for the heart me, Sans. I'm over here like not using my brain cells. Why is it only showing the goats? It's so weird. Okay, I feel like this needs to move up. And then maybe if we move this to the left. Maybe not to the left. Wait, what? Wait, why did that not work? What? Hold on. What just happened there? I'll give you, hold on, let me give you your corn.
Oh my god, it's corn.
What just happened? Why did that break? And it like broke multiple times over too. I don't know if you heard that. Why did it do that? I legit don't know why that happened. Wait, so we're getting to the bottom of this. Yeah, it's right there. 6928. Oh. Wait, what's 5655? Why is it also X? That doesn't make any sense. Wait, how did I mess this up? How did I mess this up? Wait, what? I have so many questions right now. Yeah, I guess we need to fix more. There's one problem. I don't think I can send. I mean, maybe here, hold on, let me make a simulator. Oh, why are you not in the right queue? I don't know if I can actually make this work. Wait, how would I simulate that? No, you're fine, Wukong. If anything, like, at least we found it out now instead of finding it out later. Or later on. Why did that break? Okay, so I need repeat count. Core, we need to get an argument, set argument, repeat count to 3. We need to set the gift ID to 6928. And we also need to set the nickname. We'll say like text user or something. Do you play Black Ops 2 while playing the stink code? I don't, dude. I don't do whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, so then this needs to run TikTok input. Okay, so and then we'll have this run the action. FTT start menu. Okay, so if I now I need to set that to the right queue because it's not on the right queue. Happy early Friday! Wow! Happy early Friday indeed. Actually, it is Friday now for me as well. Let's see here. I need my test command. So I think if I do this, and then this. So what is that outputting then? Oh, I know what it's doing now. I don't like that it's doing that. That's actually really cringe that it's doing that. What do I put this at the end? Let me try that again. I might literally just need to move it around.
Oh my god, it's corn.
It's that easy. I'm just that good. I'm just that good. What can I say? Hi, Nancy. I'm just that good. Where were we? Let's set this to 240. I need to stop doing that.
Oh my god, it's corn.
Oh, I just realized this is going to completely throw off the positioning. Shoot. Okay, what's half of 140? That's 70. This needs to actually be 1190 by 7. That's 310. That's not how you type 310 though. Okay, there you go. So I need to set these to also scale to inner bounds. And we're going to say the inner bounds are 140 by 140. That way it stays the same general position. You call me now? No. If you're a genius, this is why you like hanging out. I'm glad my intelligence is recognized. My peers approve. Anyways. Let's see here. So I don't actually remember how I coded the countdown timer. How do we make this work? Nope, not top center. I want the center. Scale to inner bounds. Let me actually put this up here. You'll notice that it is actually quite comically large right now. That was not my intention. Let's set this to 100 by 100, maybe. And I'm going to open the properties of this. We're going to select the color. I'm just going to set it to be white. Or should we move it down a little? What do you think? Maybe we move it down a bit. Maybe something like that. Spotify Wrapped is wild. You have 500 minutes of listening to Green Day. You're top of 1% of listeners. Damn! That's a lot of Green Day. Okay, let me test this right now. So basically we're going to get rid of the text that says what the voice is. And we're literally just going to have
that symbol that you see pop up instead. That probably wouldn't take too much to reconfigure, actually. Hold on.
I think if I set it to that, then that should now do the right thing.
Neat. What's the button to change your outfit? We currently don't have one. So that's the thing. We have the voice effect thing set up. We just don't have anything that actually does the outfits yet. So what I was going to do is I was going to get this set up in a way
Where we have a proper outfit timer as well. So that should be the first time that the outfits are actually accessible. Once I have it done and good to go. I'm trying to figure out whether do I want reference or duplicate? I can't remember. Okay, it is definitely not reference. There you go. So now if I go up to here and I need to change all the references. Is that what it's called? Yeah, it's called outfit change. Okay. And then I need to change this to these. I know. I'm very specific. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Outfit countdown. Default outfit. This needs to go to outfit countdown as well. Okay. I think that's right. 23 and your music age is 40. Dude, I feel that. I'm 25 and I listen to a lot of older stuff a lot of the time. Maybe I would like my games taste. Okay, right. So if I go down here, I'm just going to I'm just gonna move this up. Okay, so we
Call from Tino LOL.
Okay, I'm answering. Hello. This game that needs a remake. You want a remake of Infamous? I want to see a modern Sonic Adventure 2.
Hey, gotta ask SMTH.
Yeah, what's up, Tino?
When's the 12 bananas Strian?
Tino, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you.
You say soon, but soon never comes.
I do not say soon. I say at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what he's saying.
Plus I never got my pavlova cheese.
All right. That's no, I'm not taking this. Okay, so anyways. I think I need to make a new category for this. Okay. Here's what we need to do. We need to decide what the default starting button is for voices. I say the Y button. What do we think? I'm thinking we do Y left for Luigi. Okay, so in theory, oh wait, that's right. I need to actually have this like activate the timer. I have an idea. I have to think. I have to use my brain cells. Wait, no, that doesn't work. What an open world Yu-Gi-Oh game. That would go hard. Is that Y on the keyboard too? No. Do costumes, would you need to be on PC or can you do it on the go like on mobile? Yeah, no, it's gonna work on the normal, like how you guys are used to with the cheat code system. So the whole thing with this is that these inputs that I'm doing, where it's like directions and like buttons, all translate to specific GIFs on TikTok. So like you guys will still be able to activate things. Ah, shoot. How do I implement this? How do I implement this? This complicates things quite a lot. Like, I'm surprised this complicates things as much as it does. what is the best way for me to go about doing this? Because I need to have all the cheat logic occur outside of activating the outfit or activating the voice. So that way, if I want to just do an outfit swap easily, it's not going to cause issues where it like tries to open the cheat menu when it's closed, or that tries to close the cheat menu when it's not even open or something like that. Yeah, so like, you know how Leo can come in and just type !warble and it does like the command, but it doesn't activate a cheat? That's kind of the part of the problem that I'm having. I'm trying to figure that out. Well, so that's just a Leo thing, because that was what he wanted to have his like sub command be. But I digress. Shoot, how do I do this? Okay, I need to hide my screen for a second because I don't actually know whether or not this is safe code for me to show. I think I need to get a temporary global variable. But I need to, you know what? I think I can reference the commercial break system. Okay. So if I borrow this code here from myself, and then I go back over here, and I put this here, and I say outfit name. Oh wait, but how would I? Oh, I don't know how I'd concatenate the string. Oh. Oh no. Does this work? Am I allowed to do this? Is this permitted? Okay, hold on. I need to get a global. I need to set this, not persisted. Outfit, name, value. Okay, does this work? Yes. Okay. That freaking game. It's been ages since you've seen one of the bumpers. Yeah, the bumpers, they're still around and kicking. I just don't use them as much. Okay. I might have come up with a solution. Maybe. No. Or did I? Or did I not? Is he cooking or is he crazy? I think we need to like get some visual reference. Literally just me sitting here and making noises while I ponder is getting me nowhere. Let's see here. Okay. Yes, that didn't break. Good to know. Okay, so we have basically several cheats. Right?
Oh my god, it's corn.
I might, you know, I'm making this harder on myself. Hold on. Oh my god, that's so big. Okay, so we have like, we'll do an example of 3. So here's the thing. I need to have something that actually makes the swap occur. But then also activate the timer. So how can I make... Oh. Shut up. I mean, not you, but brain. Sorry. I've solved the conundrum. Let's see here. So I have No, actually, that doesn't solve the conundrum. What? Hello? The madness! The madness is winning! I'm fighting a losing battle right now. Thank you for the gifts, Wukong. Okay, I've solved it. I think I solved it, at least. I need to have an argument that gets set. I will say is command, and it's set to true. Anytime someone uses a command, I just do that. I think that's the plan. Good luck, future me. I'm probably going to forget that, but with that now set the way that it is, I can have it execute the code and then run the action. Wait, no, I want to logic the action with an if else, and it says is command. If it's false, oh wait, no, not equals. If it doesn't, we'll say not equals true, because I don't know, because it can be things other than false. Because then this will go and do the outfit countdown, right? Probably would be easier if I did this. Otherwise, it does nothing. Right? Yeah? Okay. And this should save me from having to do a god-awful mess of stuff. Is chili a cheat? Yes. You're guessing that that's code for a command. It's looking for a statement to be true. Yes. So basically, I'm adding a thing that identifies that the thing is being activated as a command and not as a cheat. There's nothing on screen. Oh, my bad. Sorry about that. Eat that. We're basically coding together this thing. Hold on, I'll show you real quick. Right now, what we're doing is we're trying to make an outfit swap thing function, which has definitely been a whole thing. Oh wait, no, I don't want it to go to countdown. I want it to go to outfit timer. It's been like that for you don't even know how long. I'm sorry. Yeah, so since I was looking at code, I wanted to make sure I wasn't accidentally revealing like information that I shouldn't. So yeah, I turned it off and then forgot that I had turned it off. That's my bad. Okay. Oh wait, where did that go? Where did that just go? Wait, what? Oh, it's right there. What? Huh? Whom? I have several questions, but I'm not gonna have any of them answered, am I? Oh wait, I want to actually copy this, not that. Set this to do outfit timer. Instead, set it to voice timer. Hopefully, if I do this right, it should be a lot easier to add more outfits and more voices to the stream setup. Okay, so we also need this to then run the action of the outfits swap. Actions, run action. Cheat underscore outfit. And then I should be able to add the Sonic ones. What should we set as the cheat for the Sonic outfit? I'm thinking once I read it, or once I grab it. Because Luigi, we have set to Y left left. I'm thinking we have Sonic set to Y, maybe XX? Yeah, screw it. YXX. Pretty funny, at least for right now. This is like boost button or whatever. Yeah, exactly. It's like blue. Okay. So I do also need to get a default outfit. Hold on, I need to hide my screen again. Sorry, this time I won't forget. But once we have this set up right, then I should be able to get this good and functioning. Outfit named a beanie. Okay, I think that's working. Okay. So in theory, if I did this right, aside from the fact that I'm in Luigi outfit right now, don't mind that. I think I should now be able to go. Well, that's not right. I mean, it still mostly worked. Uh-oh. Is that still running? Is that doing things in the background? No, it's not. Okay. What happened? Why did it work like that? Ah, I didn't. Okay, my bad. I didn't set up like actual config for it. That would have been too smart for me. Here, I'll define this as this one. Actually, it probably would have been easier if I just duplicated another one and then did that. And then we edit this like so. Okay. And we'll say this is Luigi outfit 30 seconds. Or we'll say 90 seconds. Because that's right, we said we wanted them to last a bit longer. Now, I don't know. I still need to figure out how to make them like queue. Because right now there's not like a proper queue system for it, I don't think. Okay. So now I need to go to cheat read and set that to the right thing. We'll do a test with Luigi. Did that actually do anything? I get that to work. Oh, okay. Have a nice day or night, Wukong. Adios. Keep it real. Oh wait, did I ever actually set these to be in a different location? I did not. It does not help. Okay, outfit. We need this to be. Wait, no, that's not the right thing at all. I want this. Set that there. And then I'll edit transform again. I think I made it like 30 further down. It should be 520. I am noticing it didn't actually do anything, which is kind of funny. So cheat outfit swap. Because it's supposed to check a non-persistent global. Ah, wait. I need to actually grab the global so that it knows that it's there. Yeah, that would help. Okay. That I don't think that worked right. What? Well, I mean, in theory, I am now Luigi. Why did it? What? Why did it work like that? How? Okay, hold on. Voice action immediately. So wait, why is this one? It's like waiting. Just like that, you lose tooth. Ouch. Wait, so why? I mean, is it gonna be like once the timer's done, then it'll like stop? And if so, why is this one like that? What? Wait, what's the difference between these two? Wait, I don't understand. What do you mean? What? Voice vibrato and everyone's. What do you mean? What's the difference between these two? I have so many questions. Okay, hold on. I'm working on going through this and seeing if we can figure anything out. So wait, why does it get stuck? What causes it to get stuck like that? Do I need to do then break? Would this produce the desired results? What are the other commands? It depends. Oh, what did that just, what does that say? What did that just do? What? What? Okay. Well, that doesn't help. Okay, so since I ended that preemptively, I don't know if that's going to mess with things. I also noticed it didn't play the sound effect for ending it, which is a little odd. I still haven't gotten to the bottom of that. But in theory, once that timer ends, then I should go back to beanie mode. But also that doesn't solve why the thing was still on my screen. Oh, you know what? It's probably in the queue config is what it is. How do I edit this? Can I tell it to run as its own, like run as its own queue? Hold on. How to get action to run in separate queue when activated. Bot. Run action, so action run immediately. Okay, so I need to set it to not run immediately. Do I understand that correctly? Oh, sorry. Other commands. So you know about exclamation mark can. I think a large majority of the commands are like random sub commands and stuff like that, honestly. I know exclamation mark cheat opens up the cheat menu for you guys, but then that's like something you gotta do GIFs to use. Oh, exclamation mark call pulls up a phone. So that's something. Sorry, it's been a while since
That's a Mitch.
Yo! We're still working on getting more commands and stuff that people can do. But now it's like, so while this is up, then you can just basically say whatever and it comes out as voice. Less shift, you need your computer. What are you talking about, Doodle? But yeah, anything you type comes out as like a text-to-speech voice, basically. And if you want to hang up, you just do exclamation mark hang up with no spaces.
Oh.
Okay, so if I go up here, then
Hang up.
and I remove that. Will this do it? Hey, Doodle, check it out, by the way. What? Still doesn't work. Been in LA for the week. You're heading home Friday morning. Hell yeah. So I'm still trying to get this to like make the window go away. I don't know why it's not doing that. It's kind of frustrating, not gonna lie. So why is it doing that? What queues are open? What's causing it to get stuck? You know what? We're gonna lower the timer a significant amount until we can get to the bottom of this. Oh yeah, no. So while the cheat menu is open, no one else can use exclamation mark cheats. It's to prevent people from taking it over in the middle of someone else doing a cheat input and messing them up or something. Where am I looking? I'm looking for this one. So we're gonna set this literally to 10 seconds. Why did that break? What? Huh? I have so many questions. Okay, what if I... Hey, there we go. Cool. That took some figuring out. So now if I go to the outfit timer... Jeez Louise. Ah! Leg cramp! Ouchies! Hey. Ouch. Oh, that's smarted. I just realized I'm like doing this entirely wrong. Let me do this one more time. Just to make sure that it's working. I just realized I goofed this up. I don't know if you noticed, but it's actually kind of just royally messed up. Get we'll say is I love it when I like press things wrong and do things incorrectly. Okay, so if I go back over here, there we go. I think that should work properly now. Unless, of course, I'm a fool and a scoundrel, which is possible. Yes, I put a timer. That is my entire goal. So then now, with this set up the way that it is, once Luigi runs out, oh, you know what? I should probably... Oh, wait, but then... No, because that... Huh. Well, that does complicate things. Well, yes, it does seem to be working, but... I just realized I don't know how to, like, make this work as a queue. So, at some point, this is going to break. Because I don't have the time to do that, to figure that out tonight. Cool. No, I broke it again. Ah! Wait, why did it break for Sonic? What do you mean? It just worked for Luigi. Why did it break for Sonic? What? Wait, that literally doesn't make any sense. I've never felt so betrayed in my life. Okay, let me lower the timer again. Because evidently it's messing with me. The rude thing that it is. Okay, so that worked. Oh, I know what's the problem is. Never mind. It's because I have it set to the going to the wrong command. So now if I nice. I don't understand what the problem was, but you know, it's whatever. I mean, I could set it. Should I set the timer to something longer? I'm not sure. Okay. If I set this to this. Oh! Oh, that complicates things. I can't set it to select based off of a variable. Eee. Ouchies. That sucks. Okay, I think this should be an easy enough change, though. Let's see. I think it's cheat voice effect, maybe? Right? Is that how this works? Yeah. Because then that will go up to here and do voice timer. That this doesn't need to. So I think now.
I think this does that work? Did that do things? I'm assuming it did things. It seems to have done things. I don't know. Oh wait, no, it didn't. Wait, why didn't it do that? What? Wait, what issue did we just run into? Wait, no, what just happened? What? Huh? Am I stuck like this? I think I'm stuck like this.
Okay, hold on. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Wait, what? Ah. That would do it.
Okay, now that's doing that. Ah! We're just gonna sit this one out. It's fine. It doesn't take that long.
Okay.
Nice. Okay. So now, though, I should be able to add other voices and other outfits a lot easier. Crazy how that works.
So I'm gonna give these their own category. That way it's a bit easier for me to keep track of them. All right. Glad we got all that sorted out. So the question is, what other voices should I add? Because there is also like telephone voice. What else is there? Sorry, I know it's like doubling up for you guys. Ah! It's gone! Oh no. Hold on.
What about this one? Oh my god. Alright. Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay. Let me turn that off. So, for example, if we wanted to duplicate this, and we did this one for magic chords. Unfortunately, I wouldn't need to. This is going to get a little confusing for me. No one said it was going to be like perfectly easy. Yeah, that's what I want. Set that to that. Then in theory, I should now be able to go over here. I'm going to change the code, I think, for Warble. So now it should be,
and I'll do like the funny vibrato noise. And then I think what else we got? Once this is done doing its thing,
then I should now be able to also do I'm gonna do ABY for this one.
Oh, I forgot to actually configure it. Very nice. Very cool. Okay.
Cool. So if I now go to where's my test command again? So if I go and set this up for Luigi swap, wherever it's at. Oh gosh. Here. And that should automatically set it to be, yes, nice. Hell yeah. Metal Stripe for GTA 6. You know it. All right. Blazing, since you're here, what outfit do I add next? In terms of, or excuse me, not just in general, just like in terms of the ones that you've seen. Do I mean, I could probably add a Jonesy one, I think. Hold on. Because I know that's probably going to be one that some people are going to want, because Fortnite. Fortnite. Where's duplicate? But yeah, just tell me what all we should grab. Then you have the lizard onesie. Yeah, that's, you're thinking of ukulele. That one is going to be a little bit more complicated to add because of all the different like sub outfit types. So you'll have to bear with me on that. Okay, so this one will set to be Jonesy. Nice. Whichever one's easier. No, yeah, I mean, I appreciate the sentiment. Well, I think we'll probably just end up going with that. But yeah, so we now should have it set up to where people can do outfit and voice swaps. Because I don't know if you also saw that, but I
got it set up to where we can do the voices as well. Those are like a lot shorter than the outfit swaps. But honestly, that probably is a lot easier to ask. If you have any ideas for like random voices. Because, like, Lord knows we have, like, the whole freaking voice mod thing here. I think my only rule on the voices is that I don't want anything to just be straight up awful to listen to.
And I still want it to, like, be, like, you can actually, like, understand me to a degree. Like, I could probably add, like, a cave one. Like, with how this sounds. But I don't know. Either way, I kind of got to take a pee break. So we might go ahead and run a bumper while I go pee, and I'll come back. There is one more thing I could start working on adding, but that I think is going to take too long for tonight. But I can at least start to figure it out. Or actually, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully this doesn't break. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. See y'all in a bit.
Zoe, it's not a big deal. StripeStooge will be back in a moment.
Welcome to the sun-drenched tropical paradise of Isle Delfino. We're so pleased to welcome you to our beautiful home. Come enjoy a natural wonderland to which we've added the world's finest resort facilities, a spectacular amusement park, and succulent seafood. All this and more await you on Isle Delfino. Come relax and let us refresh your body and spirit.
Do you play free-to-play games such as Fortnite or Rocket League? Are you an avid user of the Epic Games Store? Then do I have a groundbreaking suggestion for you? All you need to do is
use creator code StripeStooge.
Yeah, I don't know, that's the bumper. Thank you.
Introducing Monster Crab Extreme Designer Mobile Manor from Chi-Chi and Gold Muscle. This 12-bedroom primary residence features an XG-class, mega-scaled off-road driving system with 42-foot naturally sourced elite-grade gangster grip tires, 26-karat gold-shielded drive shaft, Le Pipi de Quif champagne gas shocks, and 10 jewel-encrusted 5,000 horsepower turbo turbine engines by Dolph Bajorian. Explore your vast estate from the comfort of your own ride castle with a top speed of over 188 kilometers an hour. Don't get left in the dust by other mechanized mansions. Live in the lap of luxury at full throttle with the Monster Crib Extreme Designer Mobile Manor from Chi-Chi and Gold.